We start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, feel free to analyze this after we get this sharp move. We mentioned we're looking for the correction. This is what we have because mostly if we get a correction here, we can look for continuation. Okay. Anyway, based on daily chart, we want to see how we can trade. And this is the correction we are looking for. The best thing is if we want to look for trade, we move to lower time frame. All right. If we move to forward chart, right now we're looking at this correction. This is what we just now point on based on daily chart. But the only question is how we can look for trade, whether we should look for this one based on lower time frame for buy, or still we can expect this one can turn to a deeper correction. That means still we can expect one more drop before, at least one more drop before we look for reversal. Okay. And based on forward chart, we don't have any trade setup yet. And in this case, we move to lower time frame, we move to forward chart, sorry, 1 hour chart. And even based on 1 hour chart, even in our analysis, if we mention with that how deep this one can be, this correction can be, we put our line, we said we can expect the price drop to any of these lines. The first, we're looking for 1.94. All right. It doesn't mean that we have to wait the price to drop before we take the trade. Okay. Anyway, you want to see how we can look for trade. The way this one is moving, it doesn't give us any trade setup. Still, we can expect this one turn to a corrective move and even move a bit higher. We are not going to trade with the based on corrective move. We want to look for the sharp move. All right. The best things is still we can expect this one to give us one more drop. Any drop, any reversal from there, this is what we can look for. But how about if the price continue from here? The only way times we can look for this one as a correction in relative to this one, if it turn to a bit deeper, then maybe we can consider. But right now, what we have, it doesn't give us like any. I mean, still we can look at this one as a correction. Just make it very simple. Then, how about if the price continue from here? The best thing is if we get any sharp move with the breakout of this top, get the flag, we can look for trade. We want to get the sharp move because we want to break this move. All right. Having entry above this also can be an option. But what we want the price continue tag break and sharp move as it be the sharp move, not the continue corrective move. Because still we can expect this one turn move a bit higher, turns to a corrective move. All right. Because internally maybe we can put this two in relative to each other. All right. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The way is moving is really corrective. And even if we move to 15 minutes, this is what I was mentioning. All right. The best things is if they can, if the price, I mean, the best option is we want to see one more drop. But if the price continue from here as a sharp move, maybe we can have entry or we wait for the flag. But as a corrective move, we are not going to trade it. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We don't have any proper trade setup that can give us a confirmation. And right now I'm looking for this part. As I mentioned, if this one turned to a bit deeper correction, maybe we can consider as a correction in relative to this. But right now we cannot. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.